Hi, my name is Alexa. Today, I am going to describe about Amazon brand Solimo 3D printed vintage carpet with anti-skid backing for living room, dining, office 5x 7 feet. Multi-colored. Rectangular people we use for our daily proposals. See it then, decide you need it then hurry up. For buy links below in description. Do not forget to subscribe. The Amazon brand Solimo 3D printed vintage carpet with anti-skid backing is a versatile and stylish addition to any living space, dining area, or office. Measuring 5x 7 feet. This multi-colored, rectangular carpet is designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of various interiors while providing practical benefits. Design and aesthetic appeal. The carpet features a vintage-inspired design, with intricate 3D printing that brings a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. The multi-colored pattern incorporates a blend of rich and vibrant hues, making it a striking centerpiece. Its vintage look is perfect for those who appreciate a classic, timeless style. The detailed design and high-quality print ensure that the colors remain vivid and do not fade easily, maintaining the carpet's beauty over time. Material and construction. Constructed from durable materials, the Solimo carpet is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. The fabric is soft to the touch, providing a comfortable surface to walk on. This makes it suitable for high-traffic areas like living rooms, dining rooms, and offices where foot traffic is frequent. The carpet's quality construction ensures that it remains intact and retains its shape even after prolonged use. Anti-skid backing. One of the standout features of this carpet is its anti-skid backing. This is particularly beneficial for households with children or elderly individuals, as it helps prevent slips and falls. The anti-skid backing ensures that the carpet stays in place, even on smooth surfaces like hardwood or tile floors. This feature adds an extra layer of safety and stability, making it a practical choice for any home or office environment. Versatility. The 5x 7 feet size of the carpet makes it versatile enough to be used in various settings. In a living room, it can be placed under a coffee table or in front of a sofa to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. In a dining room, it can be used under a dining table to add a touch of elegance. In an office, it can enhance the decor and provide a comfortable area for employees or clients. Its size is large enough to cover a significant area, but not so large that it overwhelms the room. Easy maintenance. Maintaining the Solimo 3D printed vintage carpet is relatively simple. The durable materials are designed to resist stains and dirt, making it easy to clean. Regular vacuuming can keep the carpet looking fresh and new. For deeper cleaning, it can be spot cleaned with mild detergent and water. Its color-fast nature ensures that it does not bleed or lose its vibrancy during cleaning. Eco-friendly. The carpet is made with eco-friendly practices, ensuring that it is safe for both the environment and the users. The materials used are non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals, making it a safe choice for households with children and pets. Conclusion. In summary, the Amazon brand Solimo 3D printed vintage carpet with anti-skid backing is a blend of style, safety, and practicality. Its vintage design and vibrant colors can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any room, while the anti-skid backing provides added safety. The durable construction ensures longevity, and its easy maintenance makes it a convenient choice for busy households and offices. Whether used in a living room, dining area, or office, this carpet is sure to be a valuable addition to your decor.